Today I will be making a common Jamaican side dish that may be served with breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Let's fry some ripe plantains. Plantain is a rich source of fiber and potassium.
Plantain originated in Southeast Asia and made its way to Jamaica from Africa.
Plantains can be boiled, baked, or roasted, but today I will be frying them, which is the most common way it is prepared in Jamaica. Can you imagine that this delicious treat has so much health benefits?
It can be eaten green or ripe, and the healthiest way to prepare them is boiled or baked. Ripe plantains are sweet, so it's a great snack to satisfy a sweet tooth. Now this recipe only needs 2 ingredients. It's just the ripe plantain and the cooking oil. Ripe plantain is quick and easy to prepare and can be enjoyed by everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find value in the information that I'm sharing, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family if they will find value as well. Plantain is also a good source of vitamin C, which boosts immune system, and it contains vitamin B6, which is important for energy production.
Ripe plantain is a great alternative to sugary snacks and is great for a diabetic who wants to maintain blood sugar control.
Plantain is high in fiber, which is important to reduce the risk of developing heart disease, diabetes, and constipation. Plantain also contains potassium, which is an essential nutrient for the normal function of the heart, nerves, and muscles. It also regulates blood pressure and lowers the risk of stroke. The delicious taste of this fruit speaks for itself, and the health benefits are definitely a plus. Now, the way that plantain is prepared determines the health benefit. I like to keep the preparation simple because you reap the most benefits in that way. If you like ripe plantains, try substituting it for one of your sugary snacks and let me know if it satisfies your sweet craving. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please let me know in the comments how you like to prepare your plantains. In Jamaica, ripe plantain may be served with eggs and toast for breakfast. For lunch, it may be served with curry chicken and rice. And for dinner, it may be served with fried chicken and rice and peas. Plantain is a healthy sweet treat. Now let's go rafting on this beautiful river in Jamaica.